Have you ever wondered where your photos, emails, and favorite streaming shows actually live? It's not in your phone or laptop. They're all in the cloud. But what exactly is this cloud? Let's break it down. In simple terms, cloud computing means accessing computing resources like servers, storage, databases, and software over the internet instead of hosting them on your own computer. Think of it as renting a super powerful computer somewhere else in the world, one that you can access anytime, anywhere. The real magic of the cloud is its on-demand nature. Need more storage for your growing photo collection? The cloud gives it to you instantly. Is your new app suddenly going viral? Cloud computing lets you scale up your server power in minutes, not weeks. This flexibility and cost efficiency are why businesses, from tiny startups to global giants, have embraced the cloud. You only pay for what you use, just like your electricity bill, but the cloud didn't just appear overnight. Its roots go way back to the era of massive mainframe computers. The concept evolved with virtualization in the 90s, which allowed one physical machine to act like several. The real game changer came in 2006 when Amazon launched Amazon Web Services, or AWS. This marked the beginning of the modern cloud era, and soon companies like Google and Microsoft followed, leading us to the multi-cloud world we live in today. To understand the cloud better, let's look at its three main service models. First, there's infrastructure as a service, or IaaS. This is the most basic level. You rent the fundamental building blocks: virtual servers, storage, and networking. It's like leasing a plot of land where you can build whatever you want. Next up is platform as a service, or PaaS. This model provides a platform for developers to build, test, and deploy applications without worrying about the underlying infrastructure. Think of it as renting a fully equipped workshop. You don't have to buy the tools. You just focus on creating your masterpiece. Finally, we have software as a service, or SaaS. This is the model you probably use every day. It delivers ready-to-use software over the internet, like Microsoft 365, Google Docs, or Netflix. You just log in and use it. It's like moving into a fully furnished apartment. Everything is set up for you. So, where does this cloud actually exist? It can be deployed in a few different ways. A public cloud is owned and operated by a third-party provider, like AWS or Google Cloud. Resources are shared among many organizations, making it highly cost-effective and scalable. A private cloud, on the other hand, is dedicated exclusively to a single organization. It offers more control and security but comes at a higher cost. It's like owning your own private data center. Then there's the hybrid cloud, which combines both public and private clouds. A company might keep its sensitive data on a private cloud while using the public cloud for less critical tasks. It's the best of both worlds. Lastly, a community cloud is shared by several organizations with common goals, like government agencies or research institutions. But how does it all work? The secret sauce is virtualization. This technology allows a single physical server to be divided into multiple virtual machines, each running its own operating system and applications. These virtual resources are then managed and delivered to you through APIs or application programming interfaces, which act as the control panel for the cloud. All of this is housed in massive, secure buildings called data centers, located all around the globe and connected by high-speed networks. The benefits of this setup are huge. Cost savings are a major one, as you don't need to buy and maintain expensive hardware. Scalability, as we mentioned, lets you adapt to changing demands instantly. Cloud services are also incredibly reliable, with built-in redundancies to ensure your applications are always available. You get global accessibility and powerful disaster recovery options, protecting your data from unexpected events. Of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The cloud has its challenges too. Data privacy and security are top concerns. Entrusting your sensitive information to a third party requires a great deal of trust and robust security measures. Downtime, though rare, can happen, and vendor lock-in can make it difficult to switch providers. Companies also need to navigate complex compliance regulations, which can vary by industry and region. So let's peek under the hood at the core architecture. Everything you interact with the website or app interface is the front end. This is what runs on your device. The back end is the engine of the cloud. It consists of the servers, storage, and databases that do all the heavy lifting. The front end and back end communicate through the network, which is essentially the internet. This elegant design is what makes the cloud so powerful yet simple to use. To deliver services globally with low latency, cloud providers build their infrastructure in what they call regions and availability zones. A region is a specific geographical area, like North Virginia or Frankfurt. Within each region, there are multiple isolated data centers known as availability zones. This separation ensures that if one zone goes down due to a power outage or natural disaster, the others can keep your services running smoothly. It's a brilliant system for ensuring high availability and resilience. In conclusion, cloud computing has fundamentally transformed our digital world. It's the invisible backbone that powers everything from our social media feeds and online gaming to cutting-edge scientific research and business innovation. It has democratized technology, giving anyone with an internet connection access to computing power that was once reserved for the world's largest corporations. The cloud isn't just a technology, it's the foundation of the future. If you found this helpful and want to learn more about the technologies shaping our world, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Our next video will dive deep into cloud security and data management. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.